Hello, class. We are going to do our Monday social studies in our studies weekly 19. What does it cost? All right. So for this article, I'm going to have you open up your studies weekly, and it's going to be at the bottom middle, and it is called What is an Opportunity Cost? It's just the little one, the little article down here towards the bottom. Okay. So what is an opportunity cost? Let's say you decide to go online and get those Heelys. If they cost $80, then you wouldn't have enough money left to get the video game that wasn't on sale, would you? The game would become an opportunity cost. That means it was an opportunity you could have chosen, but decided something you wanted more cost you that opportunity. People have to make these decisions all the time. For example, your parents may choose to keep driving the car they have instead of buying a new one. That way, they'll have enough money each month to buy food and clothes for your family. The new car is an opportunity cost in that decision. Goods, services, supply and demand, scarcity, and opportunity costs, they all come into play when you pay for something you want or need. And understand how all of these things work can help you make better decisions. So if you decide to buy one thing as opposed to another, you want two different items, but you can only buy one. That's an opportunity cost. You chose one over the other. Okay? All right. Now go ahead and look at your continuous learning plan for the question. Go ahead and answer it and send it to me either in Dojo or a text message or email. Thank you.